It doesn't matter if you overpay by $10,000 or $50,000. If this is really your dream home and you're going to stay there for the next 50 years. So I got these new clients. I love them. Beautiful family. But they are new to this business of real estate. She called me, Dagmara, I found the perfect house. We're going to live in that house for the rest of our lives. Tomorrow is another open house. Let's go check it out together. Tell me what you think. The house was listed at $760,000. And I knew the interest was massive. They start talking to me like, Dagmara, please tell us what we need to do to get this house. First of all, your offer has to have an 8 in front of it. 800 something. I know it's listed for $760,000, but in today's market, I know how it goes because I'm on the seller's side all the time. I list properties every week. The house is in a pristine condition. We're going to limit inspections to structural and environmental only. But, the major stuff we're going to check. They said, okay, we're going to think about it. We trust you completely. We know you're a good agent. They call me and they say, we don't feel comfortable with 800. We are going to offer the full asking price because we feel that this house is only worth $760,000. I presented the offer and then the listing agent got back to me and she says, we had 28 offers. All of them were above asking price and most of them had an 8 in front of it and some of them were cash. Of course, I relayed the message to my clients and the lesson that they learned was painful because they didn't get the house. I mean, the market is what it is. If I tell you that we have to offer above because there are going to be offers, if you really want the house, just do it.